Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Tuesday, August 19th, 2025. Today we're covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mixed today. The Nasdaq Composite Index fell 315 points to 21,315, while the S&P 500 Index dropped 37 points to 6,412. Despite the declines, both maintained very strong positive trends. The Dow 30 Index managed a slight gain. Market breadth showed mixed signals. The Nasdaq Composite saw decliners outpace advancers by more than 2-1. However, the S&P 500 showed broader strength with 350 advances versus 145 declines. Looking at returns, the Nasdaq Composite showed the most weakness over the past week, down 1.7%. However, its one-year return remains strongest at 19.2%. The S&P 400 Midcap and Russell 2000 indexes have shown more modest gains. Defensive sectors led today's gains. Real estate topped performers, rising 1.8% to 261.40. Utilities and consumer defensive each gained about 1%, with consumer defensive marking its third straight positive close. Technology led decliners, falling 1.8% to 5,230. Communication services dropped 1.1% after breaking down from 3 days of sideways movement. Energy continued its weakness, down for a fourth straight session. European markets showed strength today. Austria and Switzerland each gained 1%. Denmark rose 0.77%, marking its third consecutive positive close. France and Sweden each added about 0.6%. Looking at longer-term performance, Austria leads with a 53% year-to-date return. Sweden and France follow with gains of about 25% and 22% respectively. Major tech stocks faced downward pressure today. NVIDIA led the decline, dropping 3.4%. Meta Platforms and Amazon fell 2% and 1.5% respectively. Apple extended its losing streak to 4 consecutive down days, while maintaining a strong upward trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Leading cryptocurrencies are experiencing a broad pullback today. Bitcoin is at 113,000, 169, down 3,000, 117, while Ethereum has dropped 175 to 4,000, 140. Solana and Dogecoin are showing the largest percentage declines, down 3.2% and 4.7% respectively. All major cryptos are marking their second consecutive day of declines.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The greenback shows mixed performance against major currencies. Against the euro and British pound, it's up slightly despite longer-term weakness. The dollar is slipping against the yen while maintaining a flat trading pattern. Against the Aussie dollar, it's showing modest strength, up 0.61%.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi, Victoria Cashmore, and Liquidity. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, cryptocurrency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.